Hi guys, Teji here from 3Ns and Embrace Resort, and today we're going to learn about how to use this golf cart. So to start, the first thing you would do in any vehicle is you need to know how to turn it off and on. So this is your off and on ignition. All you have to do is turn that baby from off to on. Second thing you need to know how to do is how to go forward and how to reverse. Reverse is to the right, R for reverse, and then forward is to your left. Anytime you're in this position, you will be in neutral. Other than that, we know you want to go out at night, which is why we have lights on these things. And for the lights, right next to the off-on ignition, you just pull that out, lights will turn off, push that baby back in, and the lights will turn on. The last and most important feature here is the battery gauge, because all of our golf carts are battery powered. What you need to do with your battery is make sure to charge it overnight, every night, so that you will have full charge available for you all day. If you try to charge it for 30 minutes or an hour, this will not move at all. So if you are on E and charge it for 30 minutes, it will not go up incrementally. It has to charge for a full 16 hours overnight. As far as other important information regarding the golf cart, please do remember to keep left. We have little stickers on here to remind you because we are not in the United States anymore. So please remember to keep left to avoid any incidents. Also, please do not drive the golf cart through water. The batteries are located right at the bottom. So if you drive it through water, whether rainwater or salt water, it will cause you to stop and it will damage the battery. So no water, no sand hills, and definitely keep left. And once you've followed all these steps, you're ready to go.